let's talk about a topic that many people are researching and don't get accurate information from anywhere. It is a topic that is very useful for your physical health and has many surprising benefits that you come with your life partner. The topic you came here to search for is Kegel exercise. There is often a question in our mind that what are the correct Kegel exercise? Get ready to know that there is no need to worry. Today in this video we are going to tell you about the 5 Kegel exercises that will you get rid of your worries after doing them. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then do it quickly so that the new video will reach you first. The information provided in this video is antiseptic for educational and informational determination only. It is not further for the professional medication assistance, judgment or the treatment. Number 1. Bridge pose Kegel. From a scientific point of view, bridge pose Kegel exercise help in the human body to perform a revolutionary action, especially leaving a positive impact on the man's health. These exercises first play an important role in controlling the pelvic floor muscles and bowels. One of the major benefits of bridge pose Kegel is to strengthen these muscles, improve the urinary system, and help in the treatment of the erectile dysfunction. Studies show that the bridge pose Kegel exercise not only benefit the pelvic floor muscles but also lead to the better improvement mental well-being by increasing self-awareness and body awareness. This mind-body connection promotes a sense of empowerment and control over one's health. Number 2. Flutter Kegel. Sit comfortably, contract your pelvic floor muscles and repeat the contraction 10 to 15 seconds. The latest study research that proven flutter Kegel exercise play an important role in keeping the human body completely healthy. It is useful for strengthening the pelvic muscle, increase the blood flow in these muscles, which can easily cure erectile dysfunction and improve bed performance. Flutter Kegel helps to create feel-good hormones in body to improve mood and reduce stress level. It can improve the overall quality of human well-being, especially in the men with urinary disorder. 3. Elevator Kegel. Hold your muscle for 15 seconds at the top and release slowly, lowering the elevator back down. Repeat the process 3 times a day. Elevator Kegel is a very useful Kegel exercise that plays an important role in keeping the human body completely healthy. The elevator Kegel especially works on the strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which improves blood flow to these muscles, bladder control and erectile dysfunction treatment, allowing you to live a well-rounded life. They are able to live, so especially men should do elevator Kegel exercise daily so that you can keep your partner happy. 4. Squats Kegel. Lower your body into squat position, contract your pelvic muscles and hold it 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat the process up to 20 to 25 times a day. Squat Kegel exercises are the excellent helpful for keeping you healthy, especially for men. When we do squat Kegel, we are not working out our leg muscles. We are also giving our pelvic floor muscles a good workout. These are the muscles that support us control when we are pee and pop and even play a role in creating sure everything was right when we are having fun in the bedroom. By doing squat Kegel regularly, we mark these muscles stronger, which can help us avoid problems like peeing when we don't want to or having trouble getting these going when we do not want to do. Number 5. Diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing is like wonderful our pelvic floor muscles a friendly clinch. When we take profound breath using our diaphragm, it helps relax the muscle in our belly and pelvic area. This relaxation is marvelously important for our pelvic floor muscles because it stops them from getting too tight or tense. When these muscles are too tight, they can cause problems like urinary leaks or trouble going to the bathroom. When we practice diaphragmatic breathing regularly, it keeps our pelvic floor muscles happy and relaxed. When our pelvic floor muscles are strong and big health problem, that is erectile dysfunction, can easily be cured. So every individual needs to add diaphragmatic breathing exercise in daily